taxis driving in a line. One saw a giant puddle and yelled, "This one is mine." He went splash right through the water and drove off with a laugh. Now there are 9 little crazy taxis. 9 little crazy taxis, running a bit late. One tried a shortcut through the park gate. He swerved around a bouncy ball and zoomed right past the swings. Now there are 8 little crazy taxis.
8 little crazy taxis.
What a silly face!
One saw a big ramp and shouted,
This is great!
He went vroom and jumped up high
And waved right at the sky. Now there are 7 little crazy taxis. 7 little crazy taxis, doing funny tricks. One started spinning round just for kicks. He went spin, spin, spin so fast he got dizzy at the last. Now there are 6 little crazy taxis.
6 little crazy taxis, happy to be alive. One started dancing the taxi jive. He wiggled left, he wiggled right, and honked with all his might.
Now there are 5 little crazy taxis.
5 little crazy taxis, speeding by the store.
One started honking a song,
Honk-a-doodle-door.
he honked so loud and funny, he ran right out of gas. Now there are 4 little crazy taxis. 4 little crazy taxis, crazier than before. One chased a seagull down by the shore.
He yelled, "I'm going to catch you!"
And chased it on the sand. Now there are 3 little crazy taxis.
3 little crazy taxis.
What do we do? One drove up on the sidewalk. Moo! He wanted to buy ice cream and park right by the door. Now there are 2 little crazy taxis.
2 little crazy taxis, racing in the sun. One tried to race an airplane. I bet that I'll have one.
He looked up high and zoomed ahead and drove right off the map. Now there is 1 little crazy taxi.
1 little crazy taxi, all alone and blue. Where did his friends go? He didn't have a clue.
He looked all around, then beep, they jumped out from behind.
Now there are
10 happy crazy